We are going to show you how to make the most powerful carrot juice, which will help you cure cough and eliminate the phlegm from your lungs. Just take a look at the video below and find out more about this. We can easily say that cough is the second thing that reminds us of winter, right next to snow. So, if you are having problems with cold and flu during the cold winter nights, then this homemade syrup might be the perfect remedy for you. Note, it's safe for both adults and children. You should also know that the main ingredient in this homemade cough syrup is the mighty carrot. We all know that carrots are loaded with healthy nutrients and they contain high amounts of antioxidants. This root vegetable is a great food for diabetics and people who have high blood pressure. You should always drink fresh carrot juice instead of eating the vegetable raw. This is because juices have a higher nutrient concentration. But before we show you how to make this powerful carrot juice, I would like to say a few words about carrots. Carrots are awesome. Carrots, health benefits, immunity boost and cardiovascular health, decreased cholesterol, cancer prevention. Acne-free skin, high vitamin content. These vitamins are great for your skin, calcium abundance, improved digestion, detoxification. Note, this carrot juice is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. You will need the following ingredients. $500 carrots. 3 to 4 tablespoons. Organic honey. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to peel and cut your carrots into chunks. Then, boil them until soft and remove them from heat. Now, you should strain the carrots and preserve the liquid they cooked in. Mash your carrot chunk or just put them into a blender and mix well. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey into the water you've cooked carrots in, and then you need to add the carrot mixture. Stir well and your homemade carrot cough syrup is all done. Note, make sure you store it in a cold place or refrigerate it. How to use it? You should consume 3 to 4 tablespoons of this remedy every day. You should feel better just after 2 days. This homemade cough syrup will help you eliminate that stubborn mucus from your lungs and it will relieve your cough. This homemade syrup is a much healthier and better option than prescription drugs and medications.